automate every single indicator, every single alert, every single script, every single strategy. And I promise you guys, this thing is going to be the #1 tool that you guys are going to be able to use in your arsenal. In today's video, we're talking about automated trader. If you're ready to take your trading hands-free, this is the video for you. As you guys can see right here, we have members who are already using the tools that we're dropping inside our Discord, and they are using them without my help, okay? We have Cheat Code, who's able to find a 92% win rate, and he's already running this on a live account. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to hook up your automated trader, and it's very, very simple, only takes a few minutes. If you guys don't know, Trusted Signals is the bot that we're running on TradingView, and then Automated Trader is gonna fire that into any specific broker. It's fully functional right now with MT5, but later this week, if you guys are part of the lifetime members for Automated Trader, you guys are going to have access to way more platforms. I'm going to go ahead and show you that in just a moment. Now, keep in mind, pairing an account is super, super easy. All you guys have to do after you guys purchase your membership is click generate code. I'm going to go ahead and select MT5, and I'm going to go ahead and generate a code. Now, one thing that you have to do is you have to download this into your desktop app, okay? Automated Trader is a desktop app. Right now we have Windows. We also are going to release Mac OS later this week as well, and everything is going to be hooked up via your terminal, okay? This is what Automated Trader looks like as soon as you guys add it to your charts. And as you guys can see right here, MT5, Trade Locker, and Act Trader is already enabled, but we have not enabled it for you guys just yet. And lifetime members, you guys are going to get everything enabled later on this week. Trade Locker, Act Trader, TraderVate, Ninja Trader, and a few other platforms, okay? So before hooking up your Automated Trader app to your MT5, first, of course, you have to have the broker's MT5 downloaded on your desktop. You guys can see here, I have 3 different desktops for MT5, 3 different brokers, and 3 different accounts logged in. You guys can access multiple accounts at the same time and trade from a webhook. You just have to upgrade your Automated Trader. Right now, if you guys are Trusted Signals lifetime members, you guys are only going to be able to hook up 1 account. So now that you have your terminals already on your desktop, you guys can see these are the installed terminals. What I'm going to go ahead and choose is the one that I want to go ahead and hook up and pair to my webhook. I'm going to go ahead and select my Vantage account. I'm going to go ahead and click connect terminal. And as you guys can see right here, it actually opened up the terminal for me. And you guys can see here, this is the exact account. Now, once you go ahead and have that screen open, you're going to come back to the platform and you're going to go ahead and go to your pairing codes. You're going to go ahead and generate your code. Right now, like I said, MT5, you're going to click generate. And as you guys can see right here, this is your code. I'm going to go ahead and just refresh so that way you guys can see it for yourselves. And then I'm going to go ahead and click copy. I'm going to go back to my app. I'm going to go ahead and paste it. I'm going to click validate. And as you guys can see right here, we are now paired. You guys can also go back to the accounts page and you guys can see that you now are connected. And to triple verify, you guys can come back here, refresh, and see that your MT5 is now connected. Now, if you want to go ahead and set up a webhook, I suggest you subscribe to the channel because my next video on this channel is going to explain exactly how to do so. Hit that like, hit that sub, and until the next video, guys, happy automation.